Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Navigating the open road with precision is crucial for truckers, and today, we've got you covered with the ultimate guide to the best GPS systems tailored specifically for trucking needs. Stay tuned for a roadmap to seamless and efficient journeys. Number 1. Garmin's GPS for truckers is a game changer. Navigating the open road has never been smoother. Its user-friendly interface and precise, real-time traffic updates keep you ahead of the curve. The large, vibrant display ensures clear visibility, even in challenging conditions. What sets it apart? Customized truck routing that considers your vehicle's size and weight, preventing unexpected detours. The hands-free calling feature is a lifesaver on the go. From unbeatable accuracy to unparalleled convenience, Garmin's trucker-friendly GPS is the ultimate road companion. Stay on track, stay efficient. Garmin has truly revolutionized the trucker's journey. Number 2. Orex, a game changer for truckers. Navigating the roads has never been smoother. This GPS is a trucker's dream with its user-friendly interface and precise route planning. The 7-inch display provides crystal-clear maps, ensuring you never miss a turn. The real-time traffic updates are a lifesaver, helping you avoid delays and optimize your journey. What sets Orex apart is its robust construction, built to withstand the toughest conditions on the road. Say goodbye to stressful navigation. Orex is your reliable road companion. Upgrade your trucking experience and let Orex be your guiding star. Number 3. Scotty GPS designed for truckers. This sleek device seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features. Its expansive 7-inch display ensures crystal-clear maps, while real-time traffic updates and precise lane guidance keep you ahead of the curve. The robust truck-specific routing caters to your vehicle's unique dimensions, optimizing every journey. With a lightning-fast processor and intuitive interface, the Scotty GPS is your ultimate road companion. Unleash the power of precision navigation and redefine your trucking experience. Buckle up for a smarter, smoother ride with Scotty. Number 4. LovePoint GPS. Navigating the open road has never been smoother. This powerhouse device seamlessly blends precision and simplicity, ensuring every route is a breeze. The large, crystal-clear display keeps you in control, while real-time traffic updates dodge delays. Tailored for truckers, it effortlessly calculates optimal routes based on your rig's specifications. With user-friendly features like voice commands and hands-free operation, LovePoint is more than a GPS. It's a reliable road companion that transforms journeys into adventures. Upgrade your trucking experience with the game-changing LovePoint GPS. Number 5. Spectrum GPS, the ultimate navigator for truckers. Unleash the power of precision with this game changer. Its intuitive interface seamlessly guides you through every route, ensuring you're always on the right track. The robust design withstands the rigors of the road, while real-time traffic updates and advanced lane assistance keep you ahead of the game. Spectrum doesn't just navigate, it transforms your journey into a smooth, stress-free adventure. Truckers, meet your new road companion, your ticket to efficiency and hassle-free travels. Upgrade to Spectrum GPS and let your drive be defined by confidence, not confusion. In conclusion, finding the best GPS for truckers is crucial for a smooth and efficient journey. Whether prioritizing real-time traffic updates, user-friendly interfaces, or robust route planning, the right GPS can make a significant difference. We hope this guide has helped you make an informed decision. Thanks for watching, and may your future trucking adventures be navigated with precision and ease.